There he goes, the first part of the smart car service, just pumping out the old engine oil. Yeah, so just using that. Gone in for the level of the dipstick in there to get it all out. You can see it's starting to fill up, it's over 2 litres in there now. Let's get that little pump, pull it through. Saves on doing the sump plug and gets the last little bit out of the bottom of the engine. Just down at my mate's garage today, DV Autos. So he's kindly lent me this device to pump it out. And once it's all completely drained out, then that'll be the take the filter off, which I've got a new one. See, that's pumping through, filling up nicely. Nice, tidy, easier job. Don't have to worry about any issues with the sump plug there and the filter on the end. Damaging that, taking it off. And that gets every last little bit out. Probably give the engine a bit of a clean later when I'm done. So it's just easing up there, give it a couple more pumps. Yeah. It's got a gauge on this, so it was empty. I'll see how much oil I need to put back in as well. Coming up for nearly 3 litres there. That's still got a bit more, about 2.5 at the minute. Hope you enjoyed this short video. Probably one of the easiest ways to do the smart car. So you just gently feed that wire in to the length of that, and just till you feel it just touch the bottom, and just going through the dipstick hole. Yeah. There you go, you can see the device. The old mate there, DV Autos, give me lend me the kit. So I'll do another little video later, guys. Thanks for watching.